Welcome to the project demonstration of vehicle anti-theft detection and SMS alerting system. So here we have the features like ignition detection system along with obstacle detection and smoke leakage detection. So whenever this abnormality detects, then we are going to send the message alerts to the predefined store number, that is the owner number. So coming to the ignition section, so whenever we on the ignition, then only we can allow to on the engine. So whenever we process the step 1 and step 2, then only it is a normal condition, then only this motor will get switched on. If the person did on this ignition, then if you on the motor, then automatically it will send the message alert as a theft, trying to theft detection to the owner number directly. And next, coming to the obstacle, so if an obstacle detects near to the car, then the system will send the message alert, same message alert to the person. And also if the smoke leakage detects, so that will be identified by our MQ sensor and it will be informed to the microcontroller, same SMS alert along with audible buzzer alerts, and the same alert messages will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen. So let's see the connections. So we have interfaced the smoke sensor at A1 pin, and A0 pin is connected to the obstacle sensor, and A2A4 for this two switches, and this DC motor interface at C3 pin and a buzzer at C4 pin, and C6 C7 to this GSM module, and pin number B2 to B7 for this LCD. So these are all inputs and output modules interfaced to the PIC16F73 microcontroller. So on this motherboard there are the three major components. One is the microcontroller, so which will take inputs and control the outputs. Another is a reset switch. So this is a major role, it will play the major role in our project. So we need to hold the microcontroller till the GSM modem get the signal. And just to restart the microcontroller, we are going to use this as a reset purpose. And the next is steel plated one is a crystal oscillator, which will provide the 20 megahertz of clock frequency to the microcontroller. The main purpose of this clock frequency is, so we have provided the set of instructions to the controller, so reading inputs and controlling the outputs. Each instruction will be executed based on providing one clock pulse, means one clock pulse per instruction, so that we are providing 20 mega clock pulses per second, so that controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second parallelly. So here before on the kits, we need to insert a valid SIM card. Other than Jio, better to use Airtel SIM card. Insert that valid SIM card onto this push and back unlock. So place that in proper manner. Better to use a SIM adapter, and next push to forward to lock it, and then give the power supply to this adapter. So in this there is a reset switch, so hold the reset switch till around of 10 to 15 seconds. So it will, in that meantime, it will get the signal by this SIM card which we have inserted into the GSM modem. So after the 10 seconds of duration, you can directly release the switch so that the controller will start. So one more important point while we demonstration, if the second light on, so whenever obstacle plays in front of this IR sensor, then only this particular light will get switched on. So if it is continuously on, then we should to check if is there any obstacle is there in front of the IR sensor. First point. Second point is the external sunlight should not fall on this IR sensor, means the sunlight consists of IR rays, so it may provide the malfunction to the system. So let us see. Now it is the ignition is 0 position. Then if I try to on the motor, then so theft alert will be sent to the SIM card. So we got the message alerts. Okay. So coming to the smoke detection also. So for the smoke also, there will be one more extra light will get switched on, right? We can see that.
Yes.
So actually we are using the MQ sensor, which will act as a combustible gas sensor. Combustible gas nothing but it can detect the CO which exceeds the threshold value, as well as LPG. So if it's LPG leaks also, it will detect that. So in both cases, we will get the SMS alert. So for obstacles, only it will inform to the driver, those who are driving the car, about the obstacles presence in front of this sensor. So right, so now if is there any system got into the hang mode, then you can just reset the switch to make it work from starting onwards. So coming to the normal condition, so on the ignition, and then you're trying to on the motor, sorry, wait till the monitoring message displayed on the LCD screen, right? So now it is normal condition, that's why the motor gets switched on. So if it's an obstacle detects, automatically the motor got switched off as indication of obstacle presence, right?